Hey everyone, I am couponing with D and I am inside of CVS, and you know what I'm doing. The spend 30 get 10 or spend 45 get 15, the tiered deal. My first item I'm picking up is this Tide right here. It is priced at $12.99. As you can see, it is a limit of 1. That is my first item. I have a $3 digital that I'm going to pair with that. And then I'm going to come down here. I already have it in my cart. I picked up this Tide liquid here. It is also $12.99 and I have a $3 digital to pair with it. Then I'm coming down here and I am going to pick up one of these Gain liquids for $6.99. It is also included in the tiered program and I have a digital dollar off one for it. Then I'm gonna come down here, pick up this item, which is also $12.99, and I have a $2 digital for that. My total is gonna come up to $45.97. I'm gonna roll in some extra bucks and then we will see what the total is after that. Here's the card. All right, everybody, so I got everything that I wanted to get. Of course, I will talk to you guys outside. It is not as loud with music and people talking and ringing and transactions. There's the hubby. He's waiting in the little Sparky. Anyways, so just so we can go over this again, I just did the spend 45, get 15 extra bucks back. It is a tiered program, so you do have to go over the $45 threshold. 98% rule does not apply. Let me show you my receipt. The bounce was $12.99, so was the Tide liquid, so were the Tide pods. The Gain liquid was $6.99. $1 Gain attached, $3 Tide attached, another $3 Tide attached. The Downy attached for the bounce, I gave them $23.70 in extra bucks. Before taxes, $13.26. After, it was $15.04. And there are my extra bucks. Again, small Downy, the dryer sheets, the liquid pod, and liquid Tide and the pods. Everything came up to after taxes, $15.04, and I got back $15 in extra bucks. This is all I have for you on this video for today. Catch me on my next video. It may be another CVS haul or a public haul. Until next time, see you on the next one. Bye.